This is part 51 of me doing my nail book at home. In the holiday spirit, I'm going to show you guys how to do a snowflake nail. I'm also going to show how to do velvet nails. Very beginner friendly. So let's get into it. Cat eye designs are a lot simpler than they look. I got this like huge magnet off of Amazon. So this is my second time using it. I really like it. I think it's a lot easier to handle. You can like hold it like a pencil. Gonna take it and wave it to the side to kind of make all the glitter go to that one side. This is kind of also why I don't prefer using a glitter cat eye, because it doesn't show up like crazy a lot, you know? Like this is a thicker one and you can like see it move. Do you hear that bird in the background? I'm sorry, my window's open. But you can still see the effect with this one. Then I am gonna flip it around and do the same exact thing on this side. And when you have it to your liking, you can cure this for a full minute. Now I recently got into like these painted gels because someone recommended it. Wait, what happened? Oh, this is like the lid. Low key, this gel is super thick. Oh, I'm gonna wipe that off. Someone recommended this because I was doing some nail design where the lines were kind of like spreading out and they're like, oh, if you use like a painted gel, it's not gonna move. And look, this thing like does not move. It's really thick and it's perfect for line work, I feel like. I think this is my first time doing snowflakes as well, so we're in this together. 1 dot in the middle, 2 on the end. And then from this middle one, I'm doing 2. So 2 connecting, and then from that point, only 1. So it should kind of be like a little triangle. So the trick to this nail is having a super thin liner brush. I'm gonna do it piece by piece. So, ooh, I need steady hands for this one. From the center, dragging it down. Then from the center, dragging it up. This painted gel is super nice. I wish I would have gotten into this earlier on. I think it's easier to break it up in halves. Like, don't do a whole swipe from one corner to the corner, if that makes sense. Now I'm gonna flip it over to make sure it's even and then do the swipes for this side. This is a pretty beginner friendly nail design, I feel like. There you have your snowflake. I am gonna cure this so it doesn't move around. Okay, this could be a challenge, but I think I'm gonna do like a super tiny snowflake right here. I think besides Halloween, Christmas is by far my favorite nail design season. Oh. Not the garbage man, hold on. I've been really excited for Christmas designs because I feel like they're limitless. Kind of like the same thing for Halloween actually. Second snowflake is done. Now I'm gonna cure the whole thing for a full minute again. To that YouTube subscriber that commented that I should get this painting gel because they saw me struggling with my spiderweb nails, thank you, girl. Because these lines are really crisp and I don't really see a lot of people using painted gels. I just realized I've been saying painted gels this entire video, but I think it's potted. But I said painted because it has like paint gel, you know? I don't know. Maybe you can say both. This is the completed snowflake nail. I think it turned out super cool. And my cat eye has little like holographic powder in it, I think. So, ooh, that was a nice angle. This is a super cool, easy wintry nail. It really wasn't hard at all. This is like the start of my winter line, I guess. I'm probably not gonna keep this all winter because I like doing the requests that you guys comment down below. But if you do want me to just make this a winter line, comment some winter nail ideas you want to see me fill it up with.